What's going on, Dividend Chasers? It's the Dividend Bloodhound here with another investing episode. In today's episode, we are going to talk about Robinhood is finally coming to the UK. I've been looking forward to this for so long. It is untrue. It's actually where I looked for an investing app before I realised that there was others available in the UK and that Robinhood wasn't available and it was only available in America. If you like what you see on this channel and I've added value to your viewing and to your lifestyle, and you actually appreciate my content, please hit the like button down there in the corner, and if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. That would be greatly appreciated. I want to spread the word and spread my investing knowledge to help more and more people over the whole of YouTube and the greater internet, of course. Anyway, into the actual video itself. So Robinhood is a US-based financial service provider and broker with its headquarters in Menlo Park in California. It offers brokerage trading to trade your stocks daily options, invest in normal stocks and shares for dividend investing and ETFs. And also they offer a crypto-based section of their investing portfolio. The company was founded in 2013, has been going for some time now, has 6 million users in the United States alone, and has 908 employees. It's free to trade and use their app. You can buy and sell any stock across the market, no matter how big and how small. And this has undercut the usual traditional brokers who used to charge you extortionate fees to be able to invest in the stock market. And now Robinhood and other providers like it have made this absolutely free. It offers instant deposits, so you can deposit your money, make your decision to deposit your money, and the money is available immediately, so you can take advantage of a share price if you see that it attracts you and it's juicy basically, and you really want to get hold of it. Then they offer you an instant approach to being able to do that. It is very similar to the UK's Trading 212 and the Freetrade app, both of which I already have and have really enjoyed using. So I'm looking forward to seeing how it handles when it finally arrives. I've signed up for the app. I'm currently like 80,000 on the list, I think. So I've got a feeling I'll be waiting a while. But I can see it slotting in quite nicely into my little investing repertoire. And I'm hoping to use it for like day trading. I'm hoping to learn day trading a little bit and add that to my investing knowledge, because I haven't got anything like that at the moment. I don't do it. I think you probably can do it on Trading 212, but I've seen a lot of people doing it on Robinhood, and I like the way it looks and the way it handles. So I think I might just use that, deposit some money, and mess around with it that way. Obviously, only invest in what I'm prepared to lose, because I'll be a big learner at that point and trying to find my feet in it. So yeah, the way my strategy is going to work in the future is Freetrade is my ISA. That is going to be my main dividend investing portfolio for the long term. Trading 212 I'm going to use for some dividend paying companies that aren't available on Freetrade, because it's a more mature app, that it has stocks that aren't on Freetrade, both in terms of the UK and European stocks. Freetrade doesn't offer any European stocks at the moment, but Trading 212 does, in terms of the French, German, the Netherlands, Spanish and US stocks that aren't on Freetrade. So I'm going to use that for that side of things, growth, and a little bit of like higher risk stuff. And then when Robinhood finally arrives, I'm going to use Robinhood purely to trade and learn to trade on. And hopefully, if I make any profit from that, or considerable profit, I'll pull that out and I'll invest that in either some more risky or higher risk growth stocks, or I'll get it straight into my long-term dividend investing portfolio. That's the strategy. I wasn't going to include that in the video, but there's a little handy bonus. One thing I will say that happened very recently is the company suffered a massive technical glitch, where on some of the biggest trading days in the market, the app completely froze and locked all its users out, and its traders, so they couldn't take advantage of some of the biggest trading days, the biggest highs, the biggest losses, and the biggest lows that we've been experiencing in the market lately. And what I will say about that is, it's actually, people lost out on thousands of pounds, not in terms of just gains that they missed out on, but also like they had shorts in place, they had puts, they had all these initiated positions that they should have been able to cash out of if they wanted to, and they couldn't. So they lost thousands of pounds, or dollars really, because it's not in the UK yet. It lost thousands of dollars. So that there's actually a lawsuit in place against that, and it's going to court, and they're being sued by customers for basically loss of earnings and basically loss of earnings, loss of potential earnings, and all that sort of things. So I'll be interested to see the outcome of all them cases. There was rumours of the company going IPO, but I think that's been largely quashed for now, especially with what's going on at the moment. I mean, if you could short that company after that horrendous problem I've had, I think it's happened 3 times now. You definitely would, because their share price would have took an absolute hammering for it. So that pretty much wraps up what I was getting at for this video. So hopefully we're going to have a trio of investing apps for me to talk about in the future. I'm placed 80,000 on the list, and you can boost your way up that list if you share an email and you do this, that, and the other. But I'm not really all about that. If I was going to share an email or share whatever, I'd be more likely to try and get a free share share a free share with you from Trading 212 or Freetrade. So I'm not going to do that. I'm not really going to push that. I'm just saying I'm 80,000 on the list, and eventually when I am allowed on it, or they do release it, I'll start bringing you updates from my usage of that app as well. But since it'll be day trading, there could be some real fun had there. Hopefully I won't lose too much money. And that about brings me to an end of this video. If you've liked what you've seen here, please hit the subscribe button and the like button, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I'm going live or when I'm submitting another video. That would be great, and I will see you in the very next video. Catch you around. Goodbye.